occasionally, while you're fishing with these spin cast reels, you'll get a backlash in these things. I want to show you a tool that you need to have in your tackle box, and you can get them at Harbor Freight for $1.99. There's a 4-pack of them for $1.99 or $2.99. Let me show you what it is. Right here in my tackle box, I carry an essential tool for backlash. It's called a pick. What you're looking for on a backlash is when it comes in, it's going to stop and it's going to create a hook over that, or a hoop over that line. So where your line comes in, you go and you start picking at these lines with this pick. And you can see this little loop right here. And when you get that, you're going to have to just pick it. And pick it. And pick it until it comes out of there. All you're doing is you're taking that loop out of your line. And you'll come across and you'll see here's another one right here. And with this little pick, I can reach right in there and I see that loop. And I can get under that loop just like that and bring it up here, pull it loose, and that line can free spin. It's just, monofilament's bad about getting a loop. So what you do is you come to the next loop, you do the same thing again. Just pull it out. And you may have to do that 2 or 3 times. And then you're going to want to pull out all of the loose line, stream it off your reel, okay? So we've got all the loops out, we've got the backlash out. Now what I like to do is I like to hold my string tight, just like this, let it run through my fingers right here. That way I'm tightening up all that loose slack and I'm putting it back on my reel in a tight, orderly fashion. And that's what you want to use one of these little picks for from Harbor Freight, guys. Best investment that you can have. You can get a 4-pack for $2 or $3 at Harbor Freight. Definitely you want to use one. And then your reel is good to go again.